Hello students, I am Suman sir and today we'll study physics of class 8 and the relation star and solar system. And in this chapter we'll study this highlighted point: universe, distance in the universe, night sky, stars, constellation, various kinds of constellation and galaxies. So first we will see the topic universe. You see in the sky at night. When you see the sky at night or during a day, what you observe? You observe the various things in the sky. When you see the sky at night, you see the millions of stars, moon, and some planets which is appears in the sky. While when you see during a daytime, you see just a sun during a daytime in the sky. So the universe means the total celestial or the heavenly bodies, whatever present except the earth in our universe. So all the celestial bodies, the 8 planets, their moons, stars, some constellations, pole stars, these sun, these makes our universe. And our universe is very large, it is infinity. We cannot measure the distance, our universe. It is so big that we can't imagine and we can't think that what is the distance between the two heavenly bodies which are very apart. It is 100 light year, 1,000 light year, millions light year. So these kinds of the celestial bodies present in our atmosphere. Generally, we measure the distance on the earth in kilometer, mile, or nautical miles. But when we measure the distance from one heavenly bodies to other heavenly bodies, it is not in kilometer. It is not convenient to measure the distance between two celestial bodies is in kilometer. Then we take the other kinds of the unit, which is bigger unit, and these bigger units is known as the light year, astronomical unit, Cyrus, and the Alpha Century. These are the big units in which we measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Which one? Number one, it is astronomical units, AU. What is astronomical unit? Astronomical units means the distance between the sun and earth. Whatever the distance between sun and earth, this distance is known as one astronomical unit. It means one astronomical unit means 15 crore kilometer. 15 crore kilometer. And when we write in standard form 1.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. into 10 raised to the power 8 kilometer. So what is the value of one astronomical unit? The one astronomical unit is 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 8 kilometer. And this unit, we measure the distance from the earth and the sun. So the distance between earth and sun is known as 1 astronomical unit. Then bigger unit of astronomical unit, it is light year. Simply LY. Light year. Light year means the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Distance traveled by light in 1 year is the light year unit. And 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to the power 12 kilometer. 9.46 into 10 raised to the power 12 kilometer. It is 1 light year, and which is greater than astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit means 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 8 kilometer, and 1 light year equal to 9.46 in 10 raised to the power 12 kilometer. This is bigger unit than astronomical unit. So light year is bigger unit than astronomical unit. Other unit is alpha century. Other unit is alpha century. Actually, alpha century is a star, and the distance between earth and that star, the second nearest, as we know that sun is a kind of star, and which is nearest star of the earth. The second nearest star is alpha century, and 1 alpha century equal to 4.3 light year. 4.3 light year equal to 1 alpha century. It means the alpha century is bigger than the light year. That's why 1 alpha century equal to 4.3 light year. Then the next nearest star after alpha century is the next bigger unit after alpha century is Cyrus. Cyrus is the biggest unit of distance between earth and Cyrus is also a star which is nearer than which is far away than alpha century, and one Cyrus equal to 8.7 light year. It means here how many units we have saw here. Astronomical unit, number 1 astronomical unit, number 2 light year, number 3 alpha century, and number 4 Cyrus. These are the biggest unit where we measure the distance between two planets, and between this earth and the star and other heavenly bodies in this unit, because they are very far away from us, so we can't measure distance in kilometer. At one time in a night sky, when we see at a clear night, when we see in a clear night, we see there are in our sky there are millions of stars, but through our naked eye, in one time we can see the 3000 star. It is about 3000 star we can see at a night when the night is clear. Now the star. What are the stars? It is a heavenly bodies which is mainly made by the gases, and the stars are not permanent. It is not permanent. It is temporary, because after sometimes because after some times when all the gases has been finished, the star will collapse. So stars are not permanent. It appears in the sky, and the movement of the stars in a clear in a sky from east to west. It's a movement east to west. The movement of the sky, movement of the stars, the movement of the stars in the sky is east to west. And then, because the movement of the earth in the sky is west to east, the motion of the earth is west to east. It is the motion of the earth, and then the stars move against the motion of the earth. It is actually it is fixed, but when we go through a bus, and the other buildings or plants which is far away from us, we see they are coming to us. It means the direction here, the direction is opposite. That's why we see that object moves in opposite direction. So this is the movement of the star. Stars generally made up of gases, as I told. It is not permanent. And which kind of gases the star made? It is made up of hydrogen and the helium gases. So, and the constellations, we will discuss this topic in the next day. Till then, thank you.